All right, guys, we are back in here, and I have the rocker just mocked up there that is not glued on yet, but I had to put it on there, threw the door back on just to try to see what this gap looks like, and it actually looks pretty good. Now, the one thing I got to do on this before I glue it on is this rocker. This is a used rocker off of a regular base Corvette, so I have to cut the Z06 brake vent in there. So what I did was take the old rocker that I cut off right here. I know they sell some templates on eBay and stuff, but I made this new template right here. You know, very easily just trace this out. So I'm gonna take off the rocker and I'm gonna cut this out before I put it on. Figured it'd be a much easier way to cut it on there while it's off the car, and I don't have to worry about reaching down there. So I have to cut this out. On the rocker down here, it actually does fit really good. The gap and the line is, you know, pretty much perfect. It lines up right to the front edge. The other thing that's going to be important to make sure is good when I go to put this on is the door seal to the front edge of the rocker is good. That way there's no wind noise or anything that comes in there. So want to definitely make sure that doesn't leave any gaps. But overall, the rocker looks pretty good. So this morning I'm going to be able to cut that vent in there and then take it back off, throw the glue on, and then get this glued up. I'm not too concerned that it's not going to line up with the quarter panel, because if it lines up with the door, the quarter panel should be fine. Remember, these are aftermarket quarters, so I have to put the rocker and the door on anyways before I can do the and getting a lot of this stuff done, and then hopefully we can start painting this thing sooner than later. So I obviously have the used rocker off again on the car, and I had put down the tape, traced out where the vent is going to be right here, and I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to use a 3-inch cutoff wheel. I'm going to, you know, go around on the inside a little bit, do the best I can, and I'll go back and grind it to perfection, or grind it to be good enough. This really shouldn't be a big deal. I'm using a mask and everything because this is that SMC plastic. You really don't want to be breathing that in. So if you guys are going to do this, I would suggest, you know, wearing some sort of mask so you're not breathing all that plastic in. right, so as you can see, the new vent is in there. That wasn't that hard to cut out. Like I said, wear a mask because the dust is crazy when you're cutting this stuff out, but the template I made, you know, worked out. It looks pretty good. These are aftermarket pieces, so this top corner is sticking out a little bit. It doesn't have the right shape to it. It's all tight. It's tightened back there, and you can see that the inner piece is tightened. So I think when I install these, when it's finished, I'm going to heat them up and try to get this side to curve down a little bit to get that gap lower. If not, that's the way it's going to be. So I'm sure that there's some fit and finish problems with these Corvettes anyways. I don't think anybody's ever going to notice those